Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some easy mini apple pies. In my video today, I am using one of my pie dough recipes, and I'll put a link to that underneath the video and also at the end of the video. For my apple filling, I use 2 small apples, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of granulated sugar, and also 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of cinnamon. And for our filling, there are no correct amounts. You can use whatever you think is good. So we'll just fill each one of them up. You don't want to overfill these because you don't want them overflowing once we fold them over. I diced up my apples very small. I put them into a fry pan with a little bit of water. I added the sugar and the cinnamon, and then I slowly cooked them down for about 10 minutes on the stove. Once you've added your apple filling, simply fold the dough over on itself and then press it down. I do this with my fingers, and then I go around with a fork, and that is just flour that I'm using so that the fork does not stick to the pie dough. And then bake in your oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. And for our last step, we're going to make a very simple glaze. And it only has 2 ingredients. So you're going to use powdered sugar and then water or milk. So you'll add your powdered sugar to your bowl, and then you will add water or milk in very small amounts. Stir until smooth, and then we're ready to apply it to our little mini apple pies. And then we'll use a little silicone pastry brush, and I'm just giving a very nice coating to all the little pies. This is what they look like about an hour later. If you find your glaze is not thick enough, simply apply a second coating. And for our last step, let's cut into one. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Yum. And there we have it. Our nice flaky pastry, our sweet glaze, and our really yummy apple cinnamon filling. That is good. And here we go again. I just wanted to show you this again a little bit closer up. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.